Okay, so I'm still recording. I just found my wallet. I was trying to find it because I need my wallet because it has the ID to get back in my room. Sorry. Then back to my dorm. I already have my keys. Um, I don't know how to describe the smell because maybe now I'm finally thinking what it smells like, but it smells kind of like fish food, dried fish food. That's what I think. Also, I'm never sure what was going on inside here, but yeah, it flooded the inside of there. Yeah, just like, well, actually, it was already there. We could already see. Just now, I'm actually showing you. Just, that sticky note was already there. Oh, that's okay. That explains the sticky note now. All right, fell from that one. Okay, so thought it was just one I left last year and just I had something in there and it's like I missed or something. No, I know where that came from now. Alright, so it's still wet, and at this point, I think it's actually still going. It doesn't. It looks like it hasn't dried. It's not like it's actually flooding again slightly. Like you can't notice it though. So I'm gonna talk to the front desk, and I'm gonna leave that here, recording, and hopefully I get something. Alright, I'm gonna watch my step. Is the bubble bubbling? Yes, it is. roommate. It's not. Oh yeah, watch.
Okay, I see.
So
Okay.
that.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't know what those are, but they're moving.
Oh, that's disgusting. So you just got into the room today?
Yeah, I got in today. I recorded.
Oh, that's actually really gross. Okay,
Yeah.
that's disgusting.
Yeah. So I was recording that just because I was wondering if it was going to spill out.
Did you just get back?
I came at 6:30.
And this just happened?
Okay, so it wasn't till that point,
Right.
but it was just below the circle
Gotcha.
you in.
Okay.
And then I thought like, oh, okay, my roommate was being a dick and filled it with protein powder. At this point, I don't think it is that anymore because I saw the little things like, are they coming from the protein powder? But that doesn't make sense. So now I'm pretty sure the water is actually just coming out from the bottom of the sink.
So will you be awake for a while or are you going to
Oh yeah, I'm watching cartoons.
Okay,
so
cool. I'll call second shift right now. That's second shift, we can come back.
Yeah, because like all that is right here.
I'm not going to I'm not going to touch it or mess with it right now. I'm going to call them, ask what I'm supposed to do, and I'll get back to you in like 2 minutes.
Yeah, cool. Just watch with just that.
Just be careful.
Yeah.
I'll be back in like 2 minutes. Awesome.
Yeah, thanks. Wait, did it just jump? Or was that because of the door? Actually, it probably was the door. Oh, okay, so, we got someone, and it seems we're gonna get it fixed today. Cool. I'm really sorry, Vince, for thinking this was you. Again, I'm sorry. Oh man. I wonder if I caught anything else. Because like just all this on the floor. And I don't like it. I really thought it was just that. I thought it was just the trap right here. I think at this point, I think somehow it's just pumping out. And I just talked to her, and apparently she said someone in the second floor is also experiencing a leak. But I don't think she mentioned it being like this, like mine right now. So this is fantastic for me. If you want to take fantastic very loosely, you know. It's not. I'm gonna have to stay awake, and I have to go somewhere at 12. It's already 1:23, and technically I still got another 10 hours before then. But still, you know, you want to get a good enough sleep. I mean, I'm missing Naruto right now, and I have to stay awake for this. Again, I'm sorry, Vince. I thought it was you. All you did was leave the Activia yogurt and the bread on my side for some reason. And, I mean, I guess it's okay that your side was dirty. I mopped it underneath there for now. But this part was not expected, and I thought it was you. I'm sorry. I did not expect water to come out of that at all. Also, I kind of would have thought it dried by now, but I think there's actually just as much. Also, I was showing her this end. Oh God, it's actually moving. It's trying to get out. See, this is the real sea monkeys. God damn. At this point, I really... Oh, okay. I was wondering what that was, but I just forgot it's that. It's that. I was just like, what the hell kind of, like, shit is going on in the water? It's so nasty. Where'd it go? Holy shit, I lost it. Or it went back in the water. You could see all these things moving now. Oh God. So yeah. Perfect. Just perfect. Me. Hopefully they can fix this. I think I'm slightly traumatized now. Just slightly, not a lot, not that much. You know, just I don't think I can be next to sinks for a while. Again, I'm sorry, Vince, for blaming you. I still want to know what's causing it, though. All that. I want to know what's going on with that. I'm surprised the camera hasn't died yet, actually, the more I think about this. And, yeah. I hope you guys saw something interesting, but for now, I'm just going to have to put up with this. And, I don't have anything to drink unless I just want to get water from the fountain. Because my fridge is over there. And I'm going to have to cross that to get to it. Alright, I'm going to stop at 20 minutes, so... Never mind, my camera's about to die. I was about to say, okay, I'm going to leave it at 17. Come on, 8 more seconds. Don't die on me just yet. Come on, just 4 more seconds. Come on, come on. Alright, this is another episode of Unreasonable. Alright, see you guys later, because this thing is about to die. I need to change the batteries. Ciao. Wait, that's not my link.